Hi, my name is Chris. I'm from the company Realtime department. We are here at the Lang booth, and we are a co-company from Lang since the last years. And today we are here presenting our collaboration framework. It's a software solution. What you can see here are split on 3 screens, or indeed there are 9 screens, 4 and 4 on the sides and 1 in the middle. Prime touch in the middle and Ghost OLEDs on the sides. The solution we have is made for big collaboration rooms. It's a framework, modular, built up to present your content and to manage your content. So you have the possibilities to show in separated frames in an agile way your content. And on the other hand, you have a manager software. It's over there on a separated terminal PC. Where you can build up and organize your sessions and shows. You have designed backgrounds, normal content elements like video, slides, web pages, and so on. And one main feature is that you can remote control external PCs. So you can put in your application as you want, like CAD simulation software or business SAP solutions, whatever. We just can remote control these PCs directly on the screen. We have a streaming output, so you can bring your content also in the web. That's about the solution here. The website of Lang is www.lang/ag.com, and we are from Realtime department, so it's realtime-department.de. You're welcome to visit our page.